Is it necessary to wear protective equipment when cleaning AC coils? Yes, because cleaners and debris can irritate skin, eyes, and lungs. When cleaning air conditioning coils, start by turning off power at the breaker and confirming the unit is fully de-energized so you avoid electrical hazards. Use a coil cleaner designed for your coil type and follow the label for dilution and dwell time. Avoid homemade mixtures that can damage fins or internal components. Wear chemical-resistant gloves and tight-fitting safety glasses to prevent splashes from contacting skin or eyes, and change gloves if they become saturated. If you are sensitive to dust or working in a confined space, use a well-fitting particulate mask to reduce inhalation of dust, mold spores, or aerosolized cleaner. Stand on a stable surface and wear closed-toed, waterproof shoes to protect feet from drips and falling debris, and position yourself so the debris falls away from your face. Rinse coils gently with low-pressure water from the inside out to avoid bending fins, and then allow full drying before restoring power to prevent short circuits. Common mistakes include using excessive water pressure, which can bend or damage delicate fins and reduce cooling efficiency, so always use low-pressure rinsing and straighten fins gently with a fin comb if needed. Another frequent issue is inadequate personal protection, where people skip gloves or eyewear and then suffer chemical or particulate irritation. So make wearing gloves and safety glasses a non-negotiable step before handling cleaners or coils. A third concern is rehiring power too soon, which risks shorts because wet components can conduct electricity, so wait until coils and surrounding areas are fully dry and double-check the breaker is off before re-energizing. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to maintenance and repairs like AC coil cleaning. We also host an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about safe home maintenance practices.